In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create coupons. Klaviyo. To get started, make sure you are logged in to your Klaviyo account and you are on the main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the section called Content. Click Content and then select Coupons. This is the area where Klaviyo stores and manages the coupon sets you create, so it is the right place to begin anytime you want to build a new offer for email or SMS campaigns. Once you are on the Coupons page, move to the top right corner and click Create Coupon. This opens the setup for a new coupon where you will define the basic settings that control how the coupon is generated and how long it stays valid. Next, enter a coupon name. Choose something clear and easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to run multiple promotions over time. Many teams use short names that describe the offer, like a welcome discount or seasonal sale. Keep the name consistent with how you label campaigns, so it is simple to find and reuse when you are building messages or automations. After that, set the minimum coupon count. This is important because Klaviyo generates coupons from a pool, and you want enough available codes so your sends do not run out. Think about the size of your audience and how many people might receive the coupon. It is better to set a number that gives you a comfortable buffer, especially if you are using the coupon in a flow where new subscribers can enter over time. Then, set the expiration. You can choose an expiration that ends after a certain length of time, such as after 1 year, or you can set it to expire on a specific date. Use a time-based expiration when you want ongoing eligibility for a period after someone receives the offer. Use a specific date when you are running a firm promotion window, like a holiday sale, so all codes stop working at the same time. When everything looks correct, click Create Coupon to finalize it. Your coupon is now created and ready to be used in your Klaviyo content. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.